Hi all. I'm just seeing some really strange stuff on the scope today. It's quite across a big section. I'm on 10 meters, but I'm seeing it on other bands too. So here's, see, it's the same here. $15 isn't quite as bad, but you can still see it's, I guess it is. Yeah, it's just really strange. Now, about 20 meters down, it seems to calm down. It's still there, 10 megahertz. Let's see here. Um, 40 meters is pretty stable. At any rate, if anyone's got any ideas, I'd certainly like to know. It's the 22nd of December 2020. Cheers.